Are you looking to be able to fully control your PC from your phone, even if you're not at home? In this video we're gonna go over one of Google's own apps called Chrome Remote Desktop and teach you how you can take full control of your PC from your phone, even from a remote distance. Chrome Remote Desktop is certainly one of the best and most useful apps in its area out there, and guess what? It works with both Windows and macOS as well as Android and iOS, plus it's free. This setup tutorial is with the assumption that you have a Google account and are using Google Chrome as your browser. If not, go ahead and create an account as well as download the Google Chrome browser. Let's start by typing and heading over to remotedesktop.google.com. On the screen you're presented with two different options, either remote access or remote support. On the Remote Access tab we have the option to configure our PC to be remotely accessed from another device, and on the Remote Support tab we have the possibility to get or give support by generating a one-time access code to give out. We'll go for the first option to configure our PC for remote access. Start by pressing the blue arrow button to download the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. A new window showcasing the extension pops up. Press Add to Chrome and on the next pop-up press Add extension. The Chrome Remote Desktop extension has now been installed on your browser and we're ready to choose a name for our PC. Pick a suitable name so it's easily recognized if you in the future have multiple devices configured. In our case we'll name the PC Tekel. When ready, go ahead and press Next. Next up it's time to choose a PIN in order to be able to connect to our specified device. Remember that the PIN needs to consist of at least 6 numbers. Fill in your desired PIN and press Start. Your device is now ready to be accessed and controlled remotely, so we'll head over to the second device in which we want to be able to control the PC. In our case we'll be using the OnePlus Nord with Android. Open up the Google Play app and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Press the Install button and wait for it to download. Once finished downloading, open up the app and you'll see your newly configured device ready to be accessed remotely. If your device is not showing up, make sure that you are logged in to the same Google account on both the Google Chrome browser as well as the Chrome Remote Desktop app. Upon pressing on your configured device, we'll now be asked to enter the PIN that we just created. Fill in the PIN and press Connect. You may also check the box underneath the PIN if you in the future don't want to type in the PIN again when connecting to the device. That's it. You're now able to use the mouse, the keyboard, zoom, touch and swiping functions and have full control of your PC from your phone. I hope this video was helpful and that you now have the possibility of remote access and control of your PC from your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below and I'll make sure to answer all of them. If you're new to Tekel, consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a rating as well as engage in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.